Hello everyone, welcome to Gizmochina. I'm Kieran. Since ZHIYUN impressed us with its fine design Smooth Q2 mobile gimbal last year, we've been looking forward to their new gimbal so bad. Now it's coming. The ZHIYUN Smooth X. Its design is so special that we even could not classify it as a basic gimbal or selfie stick at first glance. It seems that the ZHIYUN just created a new market segment, a combination of mobile gimbal and smart selfie stick. That's probably the reason why ZHIYUN keeps attracting a wider crowd globally. Its product design is always thinking something different. But how about its actual performance? Let's find out the answer. In addition to the white version we're holding, there's a gray option for the Smooth X. But the white model is very impressive, as there are very few white gimbals in the market. Unlike the Smooth Q2's metal casting, the body of the Smooth X is made of plastic material, which is probably out of lightweight and convenience concerns. Although we miss the feeling of metallic solidity of the Smooth Q2, lightweight should be a higher priority to concern. The Smooth X's physical control includes a mode button, another shutter button, and a joystick on the front face. The side one is for zoom range adjustment, and the power button is on the right side of the upper arm. There are some other commands for the front buttons, like double click the mode button for changing the phone direction, double click the shutter button for switch photo or video shooting, and press it 3 times for a switch between selfie and rear camera. So when you use the telescopic rod of the Smooth X, you can control almost all the basic camera settings through the handle's buttons without touching your phone. The backside has an anti-slip design, which allows users to place it firmly on a surface without using. Thanks to the foldable and rotatable mechanism, the pocketable gimbal could easily be stored without taking up much space. But at the same time, it also complicates the unfolding process. So just follow the instruction and remember the right rotating direction as to not damage the gimbal. Even so, compared to most mobile gimbals, the overall using process was still quite easy. Before first use, the Smooth X would require phone connection to activate the gimbal through an official app, ZHIYUN. In this app, you will find quite a lot of tutorials teaching you how to use the gimbal appropriately. Even though you haven't learned anything about mobile filming, all the tutorials should be helpful for you to improve your skills in a short time. The Smooth X has plan and roll motors, but no tilt motor, which means that it features a 4-axis stability. But as a gimbal-like selfie stick, the stabilization is already good enough for general users, especially for vloggers who are using phones to shoot their works. The Smooth X creatively sports a telescopic rod. The telescopic rod can extend up to 26 centimeters, so we recognize the Smooth X as a convenient selfie stick essentially with the gimbal features, rather than a full-featured mobile gimbal. So, like I said, it's a special equipment designed for vloggers and travelers. Let's see how much the Smooth X can do for our mobile filming. The Smooth X provided 3 working modes, which are pan follow mode, lock mode, roll pan follow mode. All of them worked pretty well. Have to remind you that unlike 6-axis stabilizers, there is no tilt option for users, which can be adjusted only by changing their holding angle. This time, the latest ZHIYUN app is working better than ever before, not just for its specific tutorials about mobile filming, but also for its targeted optimization for the Smooth X. For example, the app connection is really smooth and fast, and the interface is much user-friendly and intuitive. A good detail here is that the app kindly displays some important information in a smart way, including phone battery, gimbal connection, and working mode. And the object tracking is reserved by the Smooth X, and it works a bit better than it did on the Smooth Q2. But due to the lack of a tilt motor, there's only pan follow for the tracking. The other features like gesture control are also quite useful. When turning on the gesture control mode, the camera could automatically activate object follow and start filming or photo taking once catch the specific gesture. In addition, the app supports real-time facial beauty options, but only for 1080p and 720p filming. Besides basic photo and video shooting, the app also features time-lapse, hyperlapse, pano, and smart modes. The smart modes allow users to apply auto shooting pattern to your filming. There are 5 patterns with their sample tapes inside the smart mode, including exploration, fashion, life, breathtaking, and delight shots, which are absolutely help you create more fun in your filming. You can also choose your scene in the app when you're walking or running. The running mode indeed is a bit more stable for the scene of running while holding the gimbal. Using the ZHIYUN Smooth X is really a different experience. We used to complain that most gimbals are not flexible enough to find some special angles or selfie filming. Now the Smooth X is definitely an innovation for solving the pain. Meanwhile, it doesn't give up ZHIYUN's great effort on stability as a mobile gimbal. It's convenient, easy to operate, dual purpose, and probably more importantly, cheaper than most gimbals. Talking about its drawbacks, it should be the lack of tilt motor and an included small tripod. So that's it. If you have any ideas about mobile gimbals, please leave your thoughts below. Thank you for watching. Remember to hit the subscribe button and the like button. I'm Kieran from Gizmochina. We'll see you soon.